Hello and welcome to newbits.ai. I'm Goran 2.0, the AI avatar of our founder, envisioned and generated using advanced AI technologies, created with bits by newbits.ai. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our AI Hub, a vibrant community that's central to our mission of helping you navigate the AI frontier. So, what is the AI Hub? The AI Hub is a dynamic and collaborative space where AI enthusiasts, learners, and professionals can come together. It's the heart of all our social media platforms, connecting curious minds across Reddit, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. The AI Hub is designed to foster a community where learning, discovery, and collaboration thrive. At the AI Hub, you can engage in discussions on a wide range of AI topics, whether you're just starting your journey or you're an advanced professional looking to share insights. We created the AI Hub to bring people together, providing a space for open dialogue and shared knowledge in the world of artificial intelligence. While you can interact with our community across platforms, YouTube and Spotify are where you'll find our AI Ed, From Bits to Breakthroughs podcast series. This podcast is dedicated to demystifying AI and guiding listeners through the exciting world of artificial intelligence, covering from beginner to advanced concepts. In our forums and discussions on platforms like Reddit, you can participate in conversations that cover everything from AI basics to the latest trends and advancements. Whether you're interested in machine learning, neural networks, AI ethics, or practical applications, there's a space for everyone. We also encourage you to share your AI projects with the community. Whether you're working on something innovative or tackling real-world AI challenges, your contributions can inspire others and help foster collaboration. By sharing your work, you can receive valuable feedback, exchange ideas, and potentially find others who are working on similar projects. Let's take a test drive. On our AI Hub page, we've made it easy to access all of our social media platforms and our AI Ed podcast series. You'll find clickable links and embedded content for seamless access to all 9 platforms: Reddit, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. Whether you want to watch our podcast episodes on YouTube and Spotify or join discussions on Reddit, the AI Hub page brings everything together in one convenient location. The page is designed for easy access and effortless navigation, so you can dive right into the content that interests you most. The AI Hub integrates all our social media platforms, so you can stay engaged wherever you are. From sharing your thoughts on Reddit to tuning in to podcasts on YouTube or Spotify, the AI Hub is the central space where our community interactions come together. At newbits.ai, we believe that collaboration is key to pushing the boundaries of AI. The AI Hub is designed to be that space where innovation happens through the sharing of ideas and experiences. Whether you're looking to learn, connect, or simply explore, the AI Hub is the perfect place to engage with like-minded individuals. We invite you to become part of the AI Hub and join us as we continue to explore and shape the future of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.